Here at Lloyd Land Rover in Carlisle, we are proud to present this Land Rover Defender X-Dynamic HSE, finishing the very stylish Santorini Black. Sitting on those stunning 20-inch gloss black alloys, and it does come with a 3-litre diesel engine. Got the rear privacy glass there, working well with the black exterior styling. Generous amount of boot space, the rear seats can be easily lowered there as well. Got the Meridian sound system sounding fantastic throughout the vehicle, and a very well presented dashboard, I'm sure you'll agree. This vehicle does come equipped with a sliding panoramic sunroof, letting a huge amount of natural light into the vehicle, always a nice feature to have. Taking a seat inside now, you've got ease of access to the navigation system, as well as your 3D surround camera working in hand with your parking aid, ensuring full confidence when getting into those tighter spaces. Got ease of access to a huge range of other features, and these do include your heated and cooled front seats, all with a simple touch. For more information, please give us a call on 01228 599 000. Thank you.